Good afternoon students, welcome back to online mathematics class. In the last class we have solved up to the 10th problem. So in today's class let us continue with the 11th one. It is prove that cos of 3 pi by 4 plus x minus cos of 3 pi by 4 minus x which is equals to minus root 2 sin x. So I have taken this as LHS. Now this is there in the form of cos x minus cos y. Then complete x and kori, the complete y and kobeke. So now this is in the form of cos x minus cos y. Cos x minus cos y formula iran nodre. Let us write the formula of cos x minus cos y. Cos x minus cos y, which is equals to minus 2 sin of x plus y by 2 into sin of x minus y divided by 2. So now LHS which is equals to minus 2 sin x plus y by 2. Illi x andre ee term re, y andre second term agtadu. So now x plus that is 3 pi by 4 plus x, this is x now, plus y is going to be 3 pi by 4 minus x whole divided by 2, So this is the standard formula, whole divided by 2. So now see here, minus 2 sin x plus y divided by 2 into sin of x minus y by 2 into sin of x minus, that is 3 pi by 4 plus x, then minus y, minus will be related to these two terms. So minus 3 pi by 4, then minus into minus it becomes plus x, then divided by 2. We have to simplify this further. So LHS which is equals to minus 2 sin, see here, plus x minus x get cancels, 3 pi by 4 plus 3 pi by 4 will be 2 times 3 pi by 4. So here we get 2 times 3 pi by 4, then whole divided by 2, then into, so plus 3 pi by 4 minus 3 pi by 4 get cancels, x plus x it is 2x into sin 2x divided by 2. So here 2 and this 2 get cancels, and here 2 get cancels. In the next step, left hand side which is equals to minus 2 sin 3 pi by 4, minus 2 sin 3 pi by 4, then into sin x, So now LHS which is equals to minus 2 sin, so 3 pi by 4, ಇಲ್ಲಿ pi by 4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 45 degree ಆಗ್ತದೆ ರೀ, 45 degree into 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 135 degree ಆಗ್ತದೆ ರೀ. So here 135 degree can be written as 180 degree minus 45 degree. ಸೊ 180 ದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು 45 ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 135 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 180 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪೈ ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, 45 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪೈ ಬೈ 4. ಸೊ 3 ಪೈ ಬೈ 4ಅನ್ನೇ ನಾವು ಪೈ ಮೈನಸ್ ಪೈ ಬೈ 4 ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೋದು ರೀ, ಪೈ ಮೈನಸ್ ಪೈ ಬೈ 4. ಎಲ್ ಸಿ ಎಮ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಪೈ ಮೈನಸ್ ಪೈ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 3 ಪೈ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 4, ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ದ ಪ್ರಿವಿಯಸ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇಂಟು ಸೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ನಾವು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು minus 2 sin, then here sin 180 minus x, it is the second quadrant. In the second quadrant sin is positive, so it becomes sin pi by 4 into sin x. Now LHS which is equals to minus 2 sin pi by 4, it is 1 divided by root 2 into sin x. into sin x. So now 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. Minus 2 I write it as it is, root 2 into root 2, then into this 1 by root 2 I will be writing it as it is, into sin x. See here, 2 minus I have written as it is, 2 I can write it as root 2 into root 2. Root 2 into root 2 under root 4 agtare. Root 4 is nothing but 2. So now here root 2 and root 2 get cancels. LHS which is equals to minus root 2 sin x. Minus root 2 sin x. So this is the required RHS. So we have proved LHS which is equals to RHS in case of the 11th question. Well, the 12th question it is, prove that sin square 6x minus sin square 4x which is equals to sin 2x into sin 10x. So let us take up the left hand side. So LHS which is equals to sin square 6x minus sin square 4x. Sin square 4x. Now this is there in the form of a square minus b square. A square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. So LHS which is equals to sin 6x plus sin 4x, then into sin 6x minus sin 4x, a plus b into a minus b. Now this is there in the form of sin x plus sin y, and this is sin x minus sin y. See here, LHS which is equals to sin x plus sin y is nothing but 2 sin x plus y by 2. It is 6x plus 4x divided by 2. 2 sin x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2, that is 6x minus 4x divided by 2. Now we have to apply the formula for this as well. So into it is in the form of sin x minus sin y. 2 cos x plus y by 2, that is 6x plus 4x divided by 2 into sin, 2 cos 6x plus 4x divided by 2, then into sin x minus y by 2, 6x minus 4x divided by 2 into sin 6x minus 4x divided by 2. So let us simplify these terms. Left hand side which is equals to 2 sin then 6x plus 4x will be 10x. 10x by 2 will be 5x. Then into cos, see here, 6x minus 4x will be 2x. 2x by 2 andre 2 cancel agi bari x ulitadalli. So we get cos x. Then into 2 times cos 6x plus 4x, it is 10x. 10x by 2 will be 5x into sin 6x minus 4x will be 2x. 2x by 2 andre 2 cancel agi x ulitadare bari. So it is x. Now we have to rearrange the terms here. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆದರೆ ಹೌದ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಯಾವ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬರಿಬೋದು, ಯಾವ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಸೆಕೆಂಡಿಗೆ ಬರಿಬೋದು. ದೆನ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ 2 sin x and then cos x. See here, 2 sin x into cos x, then into, now I write this 2, now I take sin 5x and cos 5x, 2 sin 5x into cos 5x, 2 sin 5x into cos 5x. So double angle formula prove ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಒಂದು sin 2x which is equals to sin 2x equal to 2 sin x into cos x ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ ರೀ ಇನ್ ಅವರ್ ಅರ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್. ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್, ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 2x ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಹಾಫ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2x ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಇದರ ಅರ್ಧ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ರೀ 1x ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ 1x. now see here we have 2 sin 5x, 2 sin 5x into cos 5x. ಇದನ್ನು ಯಾವ ಥರ ಬರೀತೀರಿ ಈಗ? ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ sin 10x. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಈಗ ಬರಿಬೋದನ್ನ ಈ ಥರ. ಸೊ ಹಾಫ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ 10x ಇಂದ ಹಾಫ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ 5x ಆಗ್ತದೆ ರೀ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್. ಸೊ 2 sin x into cos x is nothing but sin 2x ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Now this is going to be sin 10x. So it is sin 10x. This is the required RHS. So overall here in the 12th problem we have proved that left hand side which is equals to the right hand side. Well, take the 13th problem as an assignment. So I'll be solving the 14th one. Sin 2x plus 2 sin 4x plus sin 6x which is equals to 4 cos square x into sin 4x. So let us take this as the LHS solution. So I'll be writing the left hand side LHS which is equals to sin 2x plus sin 6x. So I am writing these two in the beginning, sin 2x and sin 6x. Then at the end I will write this term plus 2 sin 4x plus 2 sin 4x. So now let us apply the formula here. LHS which is equals to, so it is in the form of sin x plus sin y. For these two we have to apply the standard formula. Sin x plus sin y will be 2 sin x plus y by 2, that is 2x plus 6x divided by 2 sin x plus y by 2, then into cos x minus y by 2, that is 2x minus 6x divided by 2 plus, at the end I write this term as it is, plus 2 sin 4x plus 2 sin 4x. So now simplify this further. Left hand side which is equals to 2 sin 2x plus 6x will be 8x by 2. See here we get 8x divided by 2, then into cos 2x minus 6x will be minus 4x by 2, then plus 2 sin 4x plus 2 sin 4x. So now 2 1s are 2 4s are, here 2 1s are 2 2s are. So now left hand side which is equals to 2 sin 4x into cos minus 2x plus 2 sin 4x plus 2 sin 4x. Cos of negative angle, cos of minus x ಅಂದ್ರೆ cos x ಇತ್ತು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ cos of minus 2x ಅಂದ್ರೆ cos of 2x ಆಗ್ತದೆ. So and in these two terms I can take 2 sin 4x as a common term. Left hand side which is equals to, take 2 sin 4x outside, then write the remaining term. So it is cos 2x, cos of minus 2x ಅಂದರೆ cos 2x ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂದರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಉಳಿದಿರ್ತದೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ಮೇಲೆ. So now left hand side, which is equals to 2 sin 4x, 2 sin 4x, then cos 2x I can write it as 2 cos square x minus 1. So here it is 2 cos square x minus 1 and plus 1 at the end I write it as it is. Then minus 1 plus 1 will be 0. These two get cancels now. We have to cancel ಆಗ್ತಾವ್ರೆ. Then I will be writing the remaining term. Left hand side, which is equals to 2 sin 4x as it is, 2 sin 4x, then into 2 cos square x, into 2 cos square x. So now rearrange the terms here. Left hand side, which is equals to 2 into 2 it is 4. I write cos square x in the beginning, and then at the end I write sin 4x into sin 4x. So see the RHS now, it is 4 cos square x into sin 4x. So this is the required RHS. LHS, which is equals to RHS. So this is all about the 14th problem. Well, the 15th problem, it is prove that cot 4x into sin 5x plus sin 3x, which is equals to cot x into sin 5x minus sin 3x. So I have taken this as the LHS. So let us simplify this. Left hand side, which is equals to cot 4x, I write it as it is, then into the bracket, it is in the form of sin x plus sin y. That is nothing but 2 sin of x plus y by 2, 5x plus 3x divided by 2, then into cos of 5x minus 3x divided by 2. So now LHS, which is equals to cot 4x can be written as cos 4x divided by sin 4x. Now into 2 sin 5x plus 3x, it is 8x by 2. See here, 8x divided by 2, 2 ones are 2 fours are, we get 4x. Then into cos 5x minus 3x, it is 2x, 2x by 2 it is x, we get cos x. Now see here, sin 4x get cancels. Left hand side, which is equals to 2, I write it in the beginning, and then cos x, and then I write cos 4x. I call this as equation number 1. Then let us take up the RHS and simplify for 3-4 steps. RHS, which is equals to cot x into sin 5x minus sin 3x minus sin 3x. Now RHS, which is equals to cot x can be written as cos x divided by sin x. Then 2 times, it is in the form of sin x minus sin y. That is nothing but 2 cos of x plus y by 2 into sin of x minus y by 2. 2 cos of 5x plus 3x divided by 2 into sin of 5x minus 3x divided by 2. So we'll simplify this further. Right hand side, which is equals to cos x divided by sin x into 2 cos 2 cos, see here, 5x plus 3x, it is 8x. 8x by 2 will be 4x. Into sine 5x minus 3x, it is 2x. 2x by 2 will be x. So now sin x and here sin x get cancels. Right hand side, which is equals to 2, I write it in the beginning, and then cos x and then into cos 4x. I call this as equation number 2. So now compare equation 1 and equation 2. 2 cos x into cos 4x. Here 2 cos x into cos 4x. So both are equal. From 1 and 2, left hand side, which is equals to right hand side. So this is all about the 15th problem. So pause the video to note it down.